Hi, good morning everyone. So, I think it's been a long time since I did my first. I'm sorry. Hi, hello everyone. So, okay, I don't really think that my voice is clear enough right now because I literally cannot see the wait. Okay, so hi, hello everyone. Good morning and I welcome to another vlog and I'm about to learn something. It's actually React and authorization because I have to build a lot of stuff. I'm about to do my final project in this grade. So wish me luck. I'm trying to understand it in order to, play a little bit with it. And probably I'm gonna continuing my CSS and HTML journey because I just did one project in front-end mentor and of course it's not enough, so I'm trying to do the other stuff. Also, I will try to understand it and explain it to all of you. Just treat that as like a friend's thingy. But yeah, it probably be later because these past of days I am like a really busy, and this kind of busyness I can't handle it at first because it's just like suddenly pop out of nowhere. And honestly, it sucks, but it is what it is. So, yeah, my not so great opening. Alright, so we're gonna learn React in authorization. So, just like, let's go. Yep, here I go. This is what I got. And actually, I will not trying to explain this to all of you. So just like do chilling and you guys can do another stuff. And I will put my music loudly and I will put my face in it. So like, oh, this is a real person here. I'm not saying that my face look good. Never said that before. No, I actually said that several times, but yeah, my camera quality just really low, so I hope that you guys can ignore it. Let's go, everyone. Let's focus on our work. And yeah, the upcoming series is HTML and CSS. Wait, I will check that first before I'm gonna continuing my React here. So we got like several things to do. So this week I'm about to share to all of you guys about HTML and CSS. Wait, let me check my calendar first because I actually forget a lot of stuff. I just can't see it right in my brain. Oh, March 24th, it's already passed. So this week I'm about to learn about CSS and HTML, and next week I'm gonna learn about JavaScript, but it's for the for the front end like DOM and any other basic JavaScript stuff. And the last one is I'm going to learn probably the like a JavaScript, I mean CSS framework, I guess, CSS framework. So to make our life a little bit easier, I'm gonna use Sass and probably Tailwind, but I don't really decided yet. And I don't want to learning just the sake of learning because that I will be forget those stuff. Like it can't sit in my brain if I just like learning for the sake of learning. We have to build something. So probably we're gonna build my my project for this my final project for this grade, I mean. Yep. Oh, let me show to all of you guys like what it looks like. Wait. is my upcoming project. And I already done the HTML and CSS, but I don't record it yet. I mean, I already done the PowerPoint in the project and what I'm trying to build, but I'm just not recorded yet because I don't have like that much time to do so, and editing is hard. So yeah, it covers like basic HTML until CSS grid, and we're trying to build a 5 front-end mentor project. Yes, 5 front-end mentor project, and I've only done the first front-end mentor project, so we still got a lot of stuff to do in order to create this. That's why I'm not recording it yet. But HTML and CSS just start to make sense in my brain, and it's not like I have to. It just like start clicking in my brain, and I know what I should do after I learn a couple of days. I mean, a couple of weeks. It's already been weeks. So yeah, that is my update for learning HTML and CSS. So it's not that I have to learn still a lot of stuff, because I have to create like a dashboard thingy, right? I mean, it doesn't make sense if I only create a card or something. It looks like this, everyone, the card, what we're trying to build. I'm going to give you a little bit spoiler for this, for my upcoming series. I mean, right here, in my YouTube just blindly random things. So I'm trying to make it a little bit more, clear and a little bit more neat. I don't know what it's called in English. I'm trying to find the right word, but I cannot find it. Wait. It's not this. Yep, this one. What's suddenly here? Wait. So this is what we're trying to learn. This, and I only done the card. I think the image, the girl dancing in it. I just did that, and we're gonna build the rest of it. So yeah, it have to be in this week. So wish me luck, guys. Alright, that's done what we have to do today. Our React applications. So yeah, let's go. My first 8 minutes just like a rambling. So sorry. Actually, I'm learning from course, but I can't show you the course. So I only tell you guys the code in here. So this is from Build with Hanga thingy. Yep. Let's continue our course, everyone. Sorry, just like a bigger noise here. is like too loud. Is it don't know that you guys bored with this? I'm probably setting this up as a private thing because I don't know. Wait, what is not updating or anything? I'm trying to update this. I'm just trying to see the box, everyone, but I can't see anything in here. What's wrong with this? I thought that I don't have to like probably not starting I'm so dumb. You guys can see my phone, right? So wait. Okay. So what are we trying to do next? It's already been 15 minutes and I didn't do anything. So yeah, starting our project, right? So we do this brown box. I said with 80% because I don't want it to like too big. And of that. The image. I'll settle it's like a 50 and the margins. I think the margin is 20 pixels. This will be like a really bad web applications, like for sure. I think let's see, like and for the next time, I'll probably in the next vlog, I'll probably show you guys my you know my update for last project, like school project. I mean my final school project stuff. So yeah. Alright, I think we have to focus. Everything's fine. Oh, there's an error. Of course. What is this? Alright, so I'm gonna settle this for 40% of our parent and wait, I forget the syntax of the CSS. Okay, so we will see how it's like. I got this. So yeah, let's start with this part. I forget the syntax. I bet it's good now. Let's see the result first. Right. Let's do it. Here we go. Why isn't the lining right? Onto the line is the left. Yep. Good. Mention that to right, and for the radius, I'll set it like 10 pixels, and it has like a kind of like bigger color. This. It's literally just like a random stuff. I just want to see like how the I forget like it's having a color. Alex. Wait guys, I can't remember the shadow, I think. That's really weird. Oh no, I've used this before, but I forget. I forget a lot of stuff already. Oh my god. I mean, I didn't code for like 3 days for now. And I totally forget almost everything that I learned in CSS. Oops. Okay. Fog shadow. will set the box shadow in image. I mean in the tip image, I think. Let's try it. I should have used the HSL, I think. That will be much easier to me to handle our box shadow. Oh yes, it's too harsh. It's way too harsh. Just let this like bridge the cell instead. Because we can still like I think I will change the color in here to like more aqua-ish color. It's like a dark blue. That is ugly, but it is what it is. I didn't set the padding. So yeah, let's start with our font class. And the width of this will be 30%. I forgot to set this. I think just like 40%. It's right. It's 30% and the margin limit is 10%. No, it's way too much. Okay, probably 5% is enough. Why did I use percent every damn time? I don't know. I'm not a front end developer, so yeah, we get this. To share to you guys about the actual result, but I don't know. It's really fun. Get this, the logo. Yeah, I think this one. Just trying this up a bigger color. The same exact thing as this. I find it cute. If you cannot find it cute, that's your fault. I think that would be better if I put this background color not in here, but in parent box. That would be way better. Way better. Oh my god, this is bad. this is my fault because I set the back shaders, everything in here. Let me make sure it is. Should have set that in here. Alright. I don't really think that I need to specify this in here. I mean the image thing. I don't really need to specify this. Just try to put it here. And voila, it's done. And I also set this border radius. Top. This is the 10 pixels. 0, 0 pixels. I think we did. And the margin right, it's also 50%. Okay, that's good. So let's add the logo. I already said the height to 100%. Dude, I hate this. It works before. Might not work right now. And it's 100%. I think I forgot the reset part. Well, I guess that is okay. I'll try to like another function of it because it's not functional enough. I don't know why. Just I'll try to do this stuff. Let's go with this should be H1. And the title. Let's see. Whatever it is. change. I totally forgot. I'll set this to 20 and that's alright, I guess. It's not safe yet. Right, save this. Size 2. I just think that it was too big. No. Just gonna pick that big one and this. What? Okay, so you know that stuff like title like price and things. Title. It's weird. So I'm sorry. Good title. We got price and info. Okay. Price. I mean, it's literally up to you. I don't really care about the stuff that you do. I'm gonna go to 0 and font size to 1.3. It's way too small. Wait. I didn't know that it was too small. I like fonts. This isn't great. Let's set this to 1 again. Let's see. Yep, that's great. That's great. Alright, I've done it. This looks so freaking ugly, guys. But we did it. So yeah, let's go next. we're trying to build this data in here to be static, to be dynamic. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to build right now. Really settle the reference. Set the color. So how to create the static so that it's not a static, we can use here to create like for example, we're trying to create the that's not bad. It's set to like that. I'm trying to see if that change here. Yep. It does. Alright, now we know. Next. Because we don't use the backend yet, so that is all just static. Wow. So we're trying to we're trying to do slicing content in here. So yeah, just let's do it, guys. Let's try to slicing our content here. Did it big enough? So here in the brown box, we are trying to slicing this to open into another component. We can create another function. Is that start okay. Create another function called text. And we're gonna copy this. Okay. Really good. So we have to delete this too. And also we have to change this class to class name. Which I don't know why he doesn't tell me what you're. I totally forget that this has to be big. Right, but it will appear nothing because we are not rendering the app yet. So let's try to render that in our app. So we're trying to do that with this kind of thing in here. With they said like HTML. No, I think it has to be like this, but it keeps an error. So wait. In the last, the after it. So like this. Looking great. Let's see if it works. If that doesn't work, then I'll be mad. Doesn't work. I'll terminate the text on this and open this. Alright, let's try to use it then. Okay. Things that successful. Here, but I see nothing. Wait, there's nothing in here. I don't really know. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with this, guys? forget the return part. Oh yes, I mean, we're not returning anything, that's why. Yeah, no. What's wrong with this? The cons. It's sort of like before the return statement, because you cannot returning variables, I think. Yep. Worked great. Great. Model error. What? Still get an error. And I don't know what font I'm missing yet. So let's do it again. And the image is not showing anything, which is ridiculous. I don't know why. I mean, I'm not deleting my image, but it's not showing. Oh, this is bad. What's wrong with this? Let's see our console. So I cannot load the logo, and I don't know why. I mean, I already created the return part. I already called it here, and I didn't know why it's not working. Anyway. This is probably my index of CSS. Did I still call this image? This thing. That's probably why it's been working. Now it's working. Right. Okay. So it's great. It's not responsive yet, but yeah, it's great. Right. It's already working. Next to the next section, everyone. Okay. And how to change this? How to change this Bukanlog thingy? So the first time is you can create a text, and I think it's like before the props. I get nothing. Okay, great. I'm so inline. My question is, does like have to be inline if you get a lot of properties in here? That always sucks. So this is what we get. Probably it's only 1 hour, but still get nothing because I'm not focused yet. Probably just like, yeah, it's this props in event, but do you have the set in here? Because if we got like a lot of stuff, right? Like we try to change our title. Let's try to change that, and the title goes like JS like that. So we have to do. Just imagine that you forgot your property value. I mean your property value values. So I'm currently learning event in React, and I'm not even learning event in JavaScript yet. So that sucks. But we don't learn in the sake of learning, right? If we have to create something out of this and trying to build our project. So yeah. Mm. Right, so learning event. In here we try to build. We're really bad. So okay. So in here, what do we got? We're add to card button. Alright, I got button. I mean, so just like go here and create anchors. Anchor. Set this to card. But I'm not styling it yet, so that looks really bad. Let's try to style it, guys. In the app, see this is let's try to give it a class. no background. This blue, I guess. Try to see that. Petting. 2%. Each of them. It's so bad. Margin with 10 pixels. Freaking god. It looks ugly. Motion type. 10 pixels. I think we need it more. We can't create a padding in here, guys. I'll create a pad. 10 pixels. Let's start with like 15 pixels. And also, I'm trying to change this color to a little darker in order to make it even more less vibrant. Why it doesn't change? Man, it's not changing. So border radius. It's like, does it have like a border radius? Yes, it has. But they look sad, so probably 10% will be better. Right. I guess it is. I really want to create, you know, the best padding of all time. Dog. It doesn't change. It does not change at all. I don't know anymore. We got this. And the next part is that we have to do is to create our, you know, how do we do it before I forget? What we have to do? The event. So let's write down that JavaScript. And after this, we're creating another function here. This function just sort of like return. Just add something to console. Function to card. Awesome. Add. Let's just try those. Click here. Okay. So let's try to do that. Card is not defined. The card is not defined. What? Ah, my bad. That is so bad. Okay. That is enough. And trying to inspect your element. Oh my god. Look at a console. Oh, there's a lot of error here. That card is not defined, they said. Good stuff. We can add our event in here. Alright. Try the G next. Alright, so we are already done. So I'm still curious about the stuff before. Like, do we have to set this in here? That would be so sad. So we're learning properties, event, and now I'm about to learn argument event. Alright, so what are we trying to do is creating argument in our on-click button. So here, that we have to do is wait, I forgot the syntax. So yeah, unclicked, we got the A. Unclicked. So before that, we create unclick add card. Right. So we trying to add in here something just as to name. Yeah, we gotta add a card here. We have to specify this. Star, right? Name and card. And after that, after why my accent's like that? So and after that, we have to, you know, this as a title, A, and set it in here. You have to pass that to your function in here because JavaScript is like functional programming, right? So you have to pass this. But the fact that we can access this title name in here, it's amazing. Adding something to Node.js. Okay. It's not adding something, but it's sort of like buy something. Okay, I think it's great. So this is the event handler type. I mean, I already got the sense of it and what I'm trying to build next. Right, next is we're going to learn about conditional rendering. Actually, we have to build something after what we are learning today. So let's try to build something out of this. So this is a conditional event, I think. No, not conditional. Conditional rendering. So it's exactly the same as this. Perhaps. return to return. Okay, so if you're trying to set this discount file, right? So you're creating this type of discount stuff like this. So what do? In conditional rendering, we are trying to returning something right in here. So that we're trying to return if is discount exist, we will trying to else. So first we gotta return something, right? So we have to return something again. Yeah, I know. It's not convenient, but that's just how it works. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to return our P. Else P. Why is it like that? I think I did something wrong. Right, so our if it's still what? I still don't know why. What's this? Yes. So we don't have to need a return like this, because that will be really inconvenient. Yeah, that's right. So we need to return this type of stuff. So you're trying to check if there is any discount or no. So we set the boolean yes or no right after this. But I have to see the syntax first because I'm not remember it. So what do? We add here a discount component, like discount. But first we have to set something out of this, because we gotta set our property in here again. I don't know why. Like seriously. I'm just gonna set it to true. So I can't set it to boolean. Like a little, I can set it to boolean. This has to be string. We get this from here. And we set it to here. So let's see. There is no discount. So where did it get set this? Where's the logic here? Is equals to yes. Else if is discount equal to do a bit. Just else. What? Else. What do we set this as no? It's not yet. So there's no discount. Set this yes. So we got this from its discount. And let's try and change the discount. I'm trying to see like where the where, because we get the same, right? So discount here. And it still says there's no discount. Yes, it still says like that. I don't know why. So like I have to put everything like the same exact thing in order this to work. So yeah, technically yes, and I don't know why. We're gonna put this. So there's no discount because like where the hell you get that? Yeah, we have like 15% off right now, which is cool. Wow, I get a lot of followers. Who is this? Right, whatever. So, we got this. And I really hope that it's not live anymore. Why? It's still live right now. So after that, what do we do? We are trying to do next mapping an array. Here we go. Array map. At least we've done the basic React in order to create something out of this. I'll do next off cameras. Oh, right. Oh, totally prepared. Right, so what do you do? Mapping array. Wait. So, wait a minute. I'm trying to do something else. Like, so, right. So you're trying to build something cost, like a benefit in here. It's actually not benefit. That sounds so weird. So let's try to do costs. Wait. Okay. It's not priority, I think. It's privacy, excellency. Alright, so just like priority, I think. Why is it better than other people? So let's just say that this is faster. So, language, video, stuff like that, and after that, we're trying to mapping all of this superiority in here. So let's go. Probably tonight I will share in my first video in CSS, so please stay tuned. So we are trying to map in here, just like iterate everything here. For example, comments, superiority, map with that, and we're trying to mapping these things to array the map on benefits. Priority. And then we're gonna make this iterate on stuff like that. So it's like a component. No, we are iterating some functions. So item. It was right. So after that, we're trying to mapping something here. This is a callback function. We put in here, and we are returning items priority, right? Yes. And in here, we are trying to return our GS6, which is, oh no, it doesn't need a return function because this already has a return. And yeah, it's an object of items priority. I don't really remember what it's called, but I think it's one of them. And right here, we're going to put our items priority, superiority, and this. Put the list here, and then the item superiority. Right. Let's kind of see it if it works or not. We got that. Design review. So, I totally forgot what it's supposed to be. What is that? No, I think I got the yellow card. I always did this for 2 hours and I get like very little. I really hope that I can focus on stuff. So I'm currently learning how to get something, no, catching data from JSON. So yeah, let's try to learn it. I actually already learned this in school. So I'm trying to mapping our JSON file. So let's try to create something out of this. In a function review user. The format is, I think. User equal to arrays. Yes, which equals to arrays. And the first one is our first data. In this first data, we will create empty f1 we get this and trying to build another one of this ID and stuff. So these two and so great. They don't want me to edit. Right, so let's try to mapping this user and how to do that. So we're trying to mapping our user in here, the concept map. So mapping our user with a user dot map. We are trying to call that function. list of these are in here, and we get this as a return function, and then like this. Use your map. Oh, wait. Made a map. Because it's in one, in one thing. So you're trying to mapping them. But our superiority is in the same thing. We're about to finish this for everyone. So we just have to create this in here. It's right. No. What do I do? Yep. So we are trying to making this user list, but somewhat we are not returning this just like a user list and the other stuff like that. But we are trying to in our user list dot something like that. So the first one is I'm trying to we're gonna create a div. It's supposed to have a div inside it, not like somewhat outside it. You know what I mean, right? So h3 we got name and it's review. So we need a review. I don't have a good. It sounds like I'm being sarcastic. Alright, so what we're trying to do is we are going to creating an HT tag of this, and inside that we're gonna use the list dot name of this. Am I right? Am I correct? Yes. We have to put them in curly braces because that's what she said. So we need this as a P tag, and it contains the Oh, username. Yep. And what on the hell? This is recording an error. No, seriously, I don't know. Why? So, JSX expressions. What? Am I reading wrong? Item review. I already put this in as something like that. And this is my reading value. I think I was doing great. And I did it wrong. No, I seriously don't know why it is given an error. So they have to be something like that. But they don't though. This is a JSON file, I think. It has an array inside it, and I'm trying to map it. I'm trying to Google it first. How do I throw the JSON array object in React? So just like Killer does the return file, and yeah. So okay, all right. So all you need to do is creating the first return file in here. Somehow they want it. So we are put this inside of div, and then we are mapping this. Const map and the other stuff. Did we have to return something, right? So what? I have to put them in curly braces too, because you know this is not string, something like that, and it's still giving error. So they looks like they're like this. You need a return. So book. I need something again, like something again. So what I forget was this stuff. After my return value. What? Right, let's try to copy this. So let's already map because it's easier map. sense. So the first one we get an H3. We have to put this in a div. I think that's it. Yeah, we have to put it in a div because it can only return one value, I think, or something like that. I don't have to know. So this is not a user list. It is the user with this user list dot name with this get a p user list dot username username dot review. Right? So you're gonna create like one exact thing in here. So after that, what do we do? I totally forget. We put it in here. Right, let's see. User map is not defined. Where is user map? What did these guys do? Alright, I think I'm gonna end this because after this mapping the user and stuff, and we learn not a lot actually, but we learned several things in 2 hours. I'm wasting my time again, but yeah, that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching.